You may want to add a button to disable an entire zone with a simple click. All you need to do is you need to select the add a button to this graphic option, select the control remote equipment setting, hit program, create a new action. Destination will usually be 1, and then select the disable zone option. In this case, we want to disable zone 32. Okay, we call this button alarm zone 32, but you can call it whatever you want, and select OK. Now you have your button here, and you can just drag it to your desired location on the map. You need to remember also that this procedure might need to be changed if you have a zone that's across multiple drawings, but if you have something as simple as this, this is a quick way of doing it.